Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today, in this beautiful winter afternoon, let's make some fish fries. Made popular by the cafes and cabin style restaurants, the origin of Kolkata style fish fry can be traced back to the British era. It is a desi version of British fish and chips. Let us start by using freshwater bhetki fillet. Take 10 fillets. We will make the crumb at home grinding toast biscuits. We'll finely chop some fresh coriander leaves and keep it aside for future use. Now for the marination, we'll make a smooth paste with 2 onions, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger, 2 green chilies and some fresh coriander leaves. Add some salt as per your taste and start marinating the fillets. Add the fillets in the mixture. Mix them all very well and then add the reserved chopped coriander leaves and keep it in the refrigerator for around 15 minutes. Now take it out and break an egg and give it a mix. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. In another big bowl, beat an egg. Spread the biscuit crumb in a flat plate. Take a marinated fish and lay it on the bed of crumb with your right hand. By using your left hand, spread some more crumb on the fish such that it is completely covered from all sides. I am specifying the hands because we will use our right hand to do the wet works while left hand is to be used for adding the dry crumbs. In this way, we won't make our both hands soggy. Now for the second round coating, with your left hand, take the fish and dip it in the egg. Change the side with your right hand and place it back in the plate of crumbs. Press it uniformly from all sides and see that the fillet is coated all around with the crumbs. The taste of the fry reaches to its perfection if the coating is done right. So be very careful while coating it. Take a blunt knife and press the fillet from all sides to give it a perfect rectangular shape. These crumbs are also readily available in the market, but we prefer to make it at home as it is much healthier. Yes, the fillets are ready to be fried. Refrigerate them for 10 minutes before frying. In a hot pan, generously pour oil for frying. Add the fries two at a time and fry them in medium heat till they turn light brown in color. Fish doesn't take much time to get cooked, so don't over fry them. Serve them hot with chips and salad. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes. Now comes the best part, the tasting part. They taste mind-blowing.